Have you ever wondered how the universe works? It's all about physics. Physics, a natural science, delves into the study of matter, its motion through space and time, along with energy and force. It's a fascinating interplay. So physics is the study of matter, motion, energy, and force. Physics is not just a subject, it's the law governing everything in the universe. Consider Newton's laws of motion that dictate how objects move, or the law of gravity that keeps us grounded and the planets in orbit. Then there's the laws of thermodynamics, explaining energy transfer and entropy. These aren't just theories in a textbook, they're the unyielding rules that govern the cosmos. From the way atoms interact to the movement of galaxies, everything obeys these laws. These laws of physics govern everything, from the tiniest particles to the vast expanse of the universe. You might be surprised to know how much physics plays a role in our everyday lives. Ponder this: the toast popping out of your toaster, the airplane soaring through the sky, even the vibrant colors of a rainbow, all are manifestations of physics. It's the unseen force that heats your morning coffee, keeps your car running, and enables the internet to bring the world to your fingertips. So you see, physics is not just a subject you learn in school. It's all around us, in everything we do. Why does physics matter, you may ask? It's our guide to decipher the cosmos, crack mind-bending enigmas, and push the frontiers of technology and medicine. It's our key to unlock the mysteries of the universe. Physics is the fundamental science that helps us understand the universe and improve our world.